February Birchbox. This edit is called Choose Love. It depends what's in here, and we'll see if we choose love or not. Hi there guys, and welcome back, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. So this is the February Birchbox. Let's get her out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I've got a really amazing giveaway. I'm going to link a video just here. In that video, it's showing you the 3 prizes that I'm going to give away when I get to 2,000 subscribers. The main prize being the 2021 Glossy Advent Calendar, which is chef's kiss. But yeah, subscribe. And if you don't mind as well, if you'd like to share my channel with your friends and your family on your social medias and everything, and hopefully if they like my channel, they'll subscribe. The quicker we can get to 2,000, the quicker I can get them prizes out of my house. So this is the box. It is very cute. I do apologise about the angle that we are in. My room is in disarray. That's the only way I can put it. But yeah, let's concentrate on this box rather than my angle of my camera. But yeah, box is very cute. Hearts for Valentine, love it. In here we get the edit card. It's got the information about the products in the box, so that is fantastic. We'll be looking at that throughout the video. And there, without spilling anything, there is a little sneak peek for you. But yeah, if you are interested in purchasing this box for yourself, it is £12.95. I've wrote this down because my memory is disgusting. It's £12.95, and that does include shipping. You get 5 products in here every month. They can be anything from hair care, beauty tools, makeup and so on. If you subscribe for a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, I've got a link for you. I'll put the link in the information box and the comment box. Give that link a click and it'll get you 30% off the price. Amazing. So make sure to use that if you aren't already subscribed. But let's go through this and see exactly what we've got. Right, so back to the edit card for just a moment. This edit is called Choose Love. There is a little note here. Let's give that a quick read. It just says, "Hello Birchboxers, we are always taught the importance of sharing, and that it includes sharing our love with others. We believe love is universal, and no matter what shape, size or colour love comes in, we must always cherish it." Very true. Whether from family and friends, a kind gesture from a stranger, or even the care we should all show to ourselves, we encourage you to choose love every minute of every day. Oh, that's really nice. So the first product we have is this. So this is by Revolution Pro, and it's a cool pink correcting primer. This is a full-size product and the RRP for this is £7. It just says, use this colour correcting primer as a base for makeup looks to conceal any unwanted blemishes or imperfections. I've got plenty of those at the moment. Oh my god, I've got a breakout. This baby pink shade is perfect for brightening skin and promoting healthy looking complexion. And it just says here, preach. Revolution Pro focuses on breaking down barriers such as shade range or price so that everyone has a chance to enjoy beauty. Cool. Time to get to swatching. Ooh, wow. Right, be careful guys when you get that out, because that's literally just poured straight out. Oh, I'm gonna make a mess. I've made a mess. Right, so as you can see, way too much on my hands there, but let's just blend that in a bit. Can I smell something? It smells quite chemically, if I'm honest. A bit. Yeah, I think it does smell chemically, which doesn't bother me unless it starts irritating my skin. But that's what that looks like. I can't actually tell that. Oh no, yeah, when I hold that hand up, maybe I can tell. I was going to say, just looking at it, I can't tell, but certainly there's a before, there's an after. Oh, Oh, and it actually feels really nice as well. There's no silicone smooth horrible feeling. It's not tacky. It just feels like skincare. Right, so product number 2 we have is this. So this is by the brand Arrow, and it is Clear Nourishing Lip Oil. The RRP for this is £13. I don't think this is full size because it doesn't state that it's a full size. So I'm presuming that £13 would be for a full size product, whereas this is a little teeny tiny thing. This says this lip oil adds moisture to your lips and actually locks it in with a blend of aloe, coconut oil and shea butter. Apply to lips whenever you need an extra dose of hydration. And it just says, guess what? Arrow is our in-house clean and vegan beauty line that we've developed to simplify your routine. Okay, so this is by BirchBox basically. Okay, let's give it a go. I'm just going to take my lip oil that I already have on off and we'll give this a try. So lip oil off, let's put it back on. Oh, that feels really nice. Very, very nice. Nice, lovely shine. It feels very, very moisturising. Not sticky whatsoever. I know oils generally aren't, but I have had 1 or 2 oils that have been, which is a bit weird. It feels very, very light on the lips as well. Okay. Me likey. The next product we have is this. So this is by the brand Bodyography. This is a full-size product and it is a timber lip pencil. If I'd known that, I would have put the lip pencil on first, never mind. And it just says, the precise point of this lip pencil makes it easier than ever to frame, fill in and define your lips. The super creamy coconut oil and vitamin E rich formula helps to glide on smoothly, just like a lipstick. Cool. I love lip liners like that. And it keeps your colour from bleeding, feathering and moving outside of the lines. It also says Bodyography ethos is beauty with a conscience. So they create cruelty-free, paraben-free and sulfate-free formulas. Awesome. So let's have a little swatch of this. So yeah, it's just a pencil that you sharpen yourself. It does feel nice, it does. I have got other lip liners that are a bit softer, but I am loving that colour. It is soft and it glides beautifully, I must say. I'm really, really liking that colour. And what I like even better is it might not be as soft and buttery as other lip liners I've got, but I've just done that and it hasn't affected the tip at all. So which is great, so you're not going to be sharpening it every 5 seconds, which can be quite annoying. But yeah, I am going to be putting that on my beauty table to start using straight away, I think, because I'm loving that colour. Awesome. Number 4 is this. It's by the brand Vasanti. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Knowing me, I'm probably not. But this is Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. That's a name and a half. And the RRP, if you had a full size, would be £26. This is not a full size. This is 20 grams that you get in here. And it just says tackle imperfections with this deep cleansing exfoliator formulated with papaya enzymes, aloe vera and microcrystals, specially created to cleanse dirt, even skin tone, reduce fine lines and be gentle on the skin. And it also says, wow, this exfoliator is Vasanti's bestseller with 250,000 positive reviews. That's kind of cool. Is it open? Oh, it is. It's not sealed. Let's have a little. Well, so far I'm squeezing that and there's nothing in it. Oh, we have product. I think they could have got away with using smaller packaging with the amount that's in there, but here it is. Oh yeah, it's very fine little grains in there. Even finer than sand, I think. Oh, I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna really like this. My face is gonna love this. It has a very, very delicate scent, very relaxing scent. Oh, I'm so excited to use that. If I'm impressed by that, which I already am, just doing a little swatch, which is saying something because it's just a little swatch, I'll buy the full size. because I love the feel of that. Yeah. And final product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Morning Street. This is not a full-size product because it doesn't say that it is. If you were to buy the full-size product, it would be £16.90. And this is Argan and Marula Oil Brightening Conditioner. It says, is your hair in need of a winter pick-me-up? This protecting conditioner utilises argan and marula oil to tame and moisturise unruly hair from the first use. It also adds some much needed shine to breathe life back into your tired locks. There's another little note on here saying, psst. For best results, massage into wet hair and leave in for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. Right, so great. Great. I love trying stuff like this, but I hate getting a conditioner by itself. I just hate it. Why couldn't we have a tiny little shampoo to go with it? Surely that wouldn't have set the box back that much, you know what I mean? I would have preferred, how much do you get in here? 30 mils. I would have preferred if I got a 15 ml conditioner with a 15 ml shampoo to go with it. I love sets. I hate mixing and matching, but I don't know, I'm really fussy like that. I get a theme and I run with it. Things have to match. I don't know. Let me know I'm not the only one. Well, I know I'm not because I've commented on this in the past and a few people have said they're the same, but yeah. I mean, I'm excited to try it, but I'd be even more excited if I had a shampoo to go with it. It is sealed. Normally I would try and leave this sealed, but it's just a conditioner, so... Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, that smells bloody delicious. Oh yeah. I wonder if I can find a small 30 ml shampoo to go with that to try and use together. That smells out of this goddamn world. Right guys, that was the February Birchbox Choose Love Edit. What do you think? Personally, it's a lovely little box. Obviously with Birchbox you do get smaller sizes. So we got a primer there, which is a full-size product, which is awesome. Revolution Pro, really nice affordable brand. We have a lip oil, which is on the teeny tiny side, which is really cute but really nice. I'm really liking this on my lips. We have that exfoliator, which I've actually fallen in love with within 3 seconds of holding it in my hand. We have a gorgeous lip pencil. The colour is amazing. And we have an odd by itself alone conditioner. But no, I do like this box. What would have made it even better is if I had a little matching shampoo, but I'll stop going on about that because that's all I ever go on about. But yeah, what are your thoughts? Comment down below. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.